Assessment with a magic touch. Look no further than the language magician. Are your pupils learning English, German, Spanish, Italian or French? And is their school language or their mother tongue Spanish, English, Italian or German? Then check out how you can use the game. This computer game not only adds heaps of fun to the learning of modern foreign languages, but it also assesses your pupils' abilities in the skills of reading, listening and writing. When repeated, it measures progression, and all without marking. There is also a module for assessing speaking skills, which has been added to our website and completes the range of assessment opportunities. Using the Language Magician, you can evaluate your pupils' 4 language skills within 2 lessons. What do you need to play the game? Computer, laptop, iPad or tablet for each pupil, internet connection, 1 set of headphones per pupil. You need an access code. Go to our website and fill in the required data. Read the terms and conditions and agree to them. Within 24 hours of submitting your data, an access code will be generated. You need a data sheet. Prepare a data sheet with your pupils' names and give each of them a nickname. Nicknames must consist of at least 3 alphabetical letters. As a teacher, you open the teacher's dashboard first to create a session. Fill in the data, choose level 1 or 2, agree to the conditions and set a new session by pressing New Test Session. A code with 4 letters will appear. Now you need to open this session on all the devices for your pupils. The pupils or you go to the website and open the game. A book appears and opens with a musical sound. The game is ready. Pupils fill in the 4-letter code. Some teachers might wish to do this for the whole class before the session, also checking that the headphones are working. The game's opening page appears, and the pupils fill in their nicknames.
Eve, EVP, Zara, ZAS, George, GES, Oliver, OLR, Cherub, CHP.
They enter the game and can now choose their avatar. This gives you time to check that everyone is connected to the dashboard and has selected a nickname rather than their real name. Changing names at this stage is still possible using the pen on the signboard. You can now press the Start button. Lean back for a moment and watch your pupils' reactions. Their enthusiasm for the task in hand will not disappoint you. You can now follow your pupils' progress live on the dashboard. Don't forget to fill in the data from your data sheet while the children are playing the game. Add their dates of birth, can be month and year only. Fill in first of the month for each of them, if you like, gender and hours of foreign language tuition. Data protection is taken very seriously. Only you will know the pupils' real names. Please note, the timing of the game is exactly 35 minutes. It cannot be interrupted or continued at a later stage. If one of your pupils has a problem with the internet connection or the game freezes, we recommend refreshing the website on this particular device. The game should reconnect and continue where it stopped.
You can continue with the works, yeah?
Pupils who finish all the tasks early will find additional activities at the end of the game to enjoy until time runs out.
We're stopping the game there, guys. Run out. Did you get a certificate? Yeah, you done.
I didn't finish though.
Run out of time on the game. Don't panic. Doesn't matter where you got to. It doesn't matter.
You need to close the session. At the end of the game, you confirm that all data is completed. Just to be on the safe side, take a screenshot of the results. Now you can download the spreadsheet with the results for your own use. You should also download the students' individual certificates, ready for printing out. Only the nicknames will appear on the certificates and in the spreadsheet. You may wish to fill in the pupils' real names on the individual certificates. The average pupil will score around 50% on each floor the first time round. When playing the game for a second time, an increase in language and an improvement in skills should be evident. We have intentionally factored pupils' further development into the game. Even the brightest of students will not be bored when playing the game for a second time. We recommend doing this later in the same school year, so that the pupils can see the progress they've made. With more than 6,000 pupils from 4 countries having confirmed in the test run that they love the game, we are confident that it will be fun to play for your pupils too. Teachers will be provided with an additional insight into their pupils' skills that they've never had before. Feel free to share your experiences with us or with colleagues. Please note that the game is an assessment tool for teachers only. Passwords should not be given to pupils. We do hope you have a lot of fun playing The Language Magician.